It's Bounty again, and I'm out here doing a little bit of gardening. I want to go ahead and get the super hot peppers that I've been growing since the 22nd of January inside. I want to go ahead and put them in the ground. So this is what I'm doing. I borrowed a little tiller from my neighbor, next door neighbor over here. He's a great man, real great man, both him and his wife. I'm pretty much, I put leaf compost up where piles of leaves that I've had for the last couple of years. And then I'm putting them in and mixing it in there, and we're wrecking it back in and tilling back on top of it. Here, let me show you what we're doing down here. The girls are, girls, that'll probably be a plenty if, come on, I'll help you. They're getting some of the compost that we have laying around where we rake leaves and stuff. Come on, and so bear with me just a second here, and Curtis, you gonna run in that tree in a minute. About stepped on MJ. You gotta look where you're going. You know what I mean? So, so we're doing like this right here. Try to get it out evenly as possible. Trash in it, but you know, that plus it'll help raise up the bed a little bit where water don't stand in it from a lot of rain, and plus it'll fertilize a little bit. And the other thing I'll do, Nova, will you go get me my bag of fertilizer off the dryer in there? Also, I like to when I do these type beds, you know, I like to put a little bit of light fertilizer in there, you know, to richen up the soil, not too much that it's going to burn the plants, but enough that thank you, baby. Enough that it's going to just richen it a little bit. I ain't talking about putting a lot, just to get that little bit in there. This is for 1 second. This is just regular vegetable fertilizer. It is 12-10-5, so it's not real strong. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready to start tilling this stuff in and get it mixed up. Go ahead and start getting these plants in the ground and get cleaned up a little bit and see about doing a live stream. So if you like what I'm doing and what I do, and you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you do. Please hit that like and share this out. It means a lot. Love you, mean it.